Hi everyone. I was in the middle of working on my GUI system and I was trying to get my canvas renderer to also render text. And I was right in the middle of doing that and I really just kind of lost track. I had an idea and I just completely lost the train of thought of what the idea was. But so I kind of just gave up in the middle of it, had to take a break. But now I'm back. I got a fresh brain. I think I am more aware as to what I was going for and I'm ready to continue and see if I can do this, see if I can get my canvas renderer to render text, and then that way I can get rid of my text renderer as a whole. So let's see. Okay, so I remember I added in the texture offset and texture scale. So I don't remember if I added that as part of my canvas buffer though. Yeah, I did. So I need to add those here. So I'll say buffer texture offset. There should be offsets. Okay, so that at index is equal to the one getting passed in. And the texture scale, same thing. All right, so now when I'm adding the text to the canvas, I'm going through, I'm getting which character, I'm getting the bitmaps X, Y, width, and height, character width, character height, and the scale. Okay, so yeah, I really just, all I need to do is add quad to buffer every character, right? So let me just try that. Let me say add quad to buffer. We're going to pass in the game state. We need the position, which is this position here. Then we need a scale, which as far as I know, I can do the same thing I'm doing here. Yeah, so multiply, wait, hold on. Oh, I need to keep track of the start of this. I need to keep track of the X position each step of the way. So that, pretty much need that to happen. Wait. Yeah, okay, so that's that. And then, not really sure what I need to put in. So when I'm calling this function, I need to pass in the scale. So the scale here is basically, okay, the character width times the scale. So that's not too bad. So I gotta make a vector 2, and then that's CW times scale, and then that's CH times scale. All right, so the next parameter is the color, or a texture, but actually I want the texture, which is the state's current font texture. Or wait, is that done here? Oh, by the way, this should be texture. Wait, so that's current font dot, oh, it's bitmap, that's right. Okay, so I don't know, let's just see if that compiles. Got an I somewhere, this one. Oh wait, that should just be positions, position.x. Okay, so then once I do that, I want to increase the positions x plus equals whatever it is here. So yeah. And That should be font. Yeah, I think so. I think that should do it. So let's try. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. So let me do this here. Put this after all of this here. Yeah, so let's say add text to canvas. We're going to pass in the game state. We need to pass in the text. I'm going to put here, please work. And we'll put it at, I don't know, 300, 300. We'll make it, oh, it's just a regular scale. So the scale, I don't know, 5. And then the color, just black. All right, that is not good. Oh, you know what? I don't think I'm increasing the character C here. Just getting stuck in some infinite loop for sure. There we go. Okay, so that's presumably my text right there. Let me move it over. Put it at 400. Okay, so I think it's not working because I gotta modify the shader. So if I look at how I'm doing the text shader, I might be able to just copy that. But I think I have to change it depending on whether I'm rendering text or not. So let's look at here. So yeah, when I'm doing text, I'm getting the final color this way. And instead of text color, that should be quad color. Okay, so still not there. I don't know. Oh yeah, so also when I'm rendering my, so that's rendering the text buffer. When I render the canvas buffer, here I'm hard coding the texture coordinates here. I don't want to do that anymore because now the canvas has the texture position and the offset for each character. So texture offset. Okay, so that should be the x coordinate, so that would be texture offset dot x. Same for that one there. And then when I'm doing the other one, it's going to be the texture offsets x plus texture scales x. And that's going to be the case for here as well. So here is going to be texture offset y by texture scale y. Same for you. Then you are just texture offset y. And you as well. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if that's going to fix it, but I'm going to hope it does. No, still not. Okay, so I don't know if my texture is the right one. Oh, wait, here I'm setting default texture. That's not what I want. I want buffer textures at I. That should hopefully, whoops. That should hopefully do it. Okay. Definitely not what I was looking for. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make a couple test textures in the game state just so I can test things easier. All right, so test texture one, it is going to be, I don't know, let's do something weird. Let's do 255. Let's just make it a red and yellow checkerboard pattern. So that's the red, that's the yellow. So then we need yellow again, and then red. Oops. Okay, so then this other one is going to be magenta and actually magenta and green. It should be TT2. All right, let's see if that compiles. No, test text redefinition. That's why. All right, so then when I'm doing these quads here, this one, I just want to pass in one of those test textures just to see if it actually shows up. Probably not. Okay, so that's not happening. Why? All right, so my canvas buffer, setting it to, am I even setting the texture though? Yeah, I am. Huh, so the characters are getting put in the right spot, but the texture is obviously all messed up. So let's figure out why that is. So let's see if I pass in here. Yeah, so we're getting the current font bitmap. Actually, this could just be fonts. Still feel like it might be something with a shader though. So this is, updating the... So it's like at some point the texture is not getting set right. Okay, so when I'm passing in this texture here, it should not render as white. It should render uh, as yellow and red. It's a yellow and red checkerboard. Wait, what am I doing this twice for? Yeah, didn't change anything. So I think somewhere here, add cloud to buffer. So I'm passing in the texture. Wait, am I also sending in the color? No, definitely not. Oh wait, I want to actually call this one directly. Yeah, so I need to pass in. Hold on. Okay, I'm confused, but I think I'm getting better now. So I'm passing in the position, the scale. Yeah, so I need to pass in everything. Okay. Yeah, okay, so I need to pass in more stuff. That makes sense. Okay, so vector 2, so I need the texture offsets, which is the bitmap x and bitmap y. So that's vector 2, bmx, bmy. All right, this is, okay, I feel better now. Vector 2, and then so this is the scale, so that's just bm width and bm height. There we go. And then so now I do need to provide a color, but the color is just black. And then the texture. All right, so let's see if that does anything at all. Nothing. Okay. Well, yeah, because it's not. I'm not even messing with the text. Let me put the text code back. See if that fixed that at least. Okay, great. Awesome. That's great. I got the text working. Now the regular textures are broken, but if I uncomment that, and then their regular textures are fixed, but the text is broken. Okay, that's good. That's progress. Now I just got to figure out how to universify this, if that's even a word. Okay, so I need to make this shader aware of when it's rendering text. And when it's rendering text, I want to do this. When it's not rendering text, I want to do that. How do I do that? Well, I have this other 3 floats worth of data that's just sitting there being unused. So I can definitely take advantage of that. So if I pass in a Boolean that says yes or no, or a 0 or 1 flag. Samit, thank you. Appreciate the motivation. I believe in myself. I think I could do it too. But yeah, so I think I'm going to pass in some kind of flag here to let it know and figure out something to do with this. So I'm going to say is text and then change this to a vector 2. That shouldn't change anything. Yeah. So now when I am rendering my text, I'm rendering my canvas buffer, I want to vertex constant. So right here, I could say that the canvas renderer dot vertex constants dot is text equals what? So I think I gotta actually now tell my canvas buffer every time, is this thing I'm rendering text or not? Seems kind of convoluted, but I'm gonna go with that for now. Okay, so now this already ridiculous function. Yeah, I did get gamepad compatibility in there. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. The API is pretty straightforward, actually. Okay, so here I got to take in a Boolean to see if it is text or not. And then yeah. Okay, so then this is going to be false. This is going to be false. And this is going to be true. So if I'm doing that, then this is going to be equal to the buffer is text at I. Is that right? Yeah, because I'm in a loop. So, all right, so everything's still running, so nothing's breaking yet. Let me see. Did I study computer science or like programming in general? Game development? What do you mean? I have a bachelor's in computer science, but yeah, yeah, all the game stuff I've learned has just been on my own. Everything I've learned in school has been just more academic. All right, so now I got to figure out how to determine whether I'm rendering this one or this one based on that Boolean without doing an if statement, because I hear doing if statements in shaders is not the proper way to do it. Oh, I also need to take that in here. Is text. Wait, I could do this as like an array, right? Like I can treat this as an index. If I said that this is the element at 0, that still works, right? Yes, that does. So, because really this is the same thing as this, the only difference being this should be dot A and this would be dot R. I think. Let me try that. So if I run this one, the text completely disappears. So maybe that wasn't right. Oh no, I forgot to multiply by the texture. B. Okay, so I think, oh wait, and then this one, yeah, same thing here. So R, G, B. Okay, yeah, so the only difference is I'm multiplying the alpha component, and here I'm multiplying the R component. So here, this should be text working. No, that's texture working. This is text working then. Okay, so that's both working? How's that? Oh, but then if I change the color with the other one, it's gonna... Hold on, is that working though? Kinda. I feel like I'm not testing it thoroughly enough. So. Actually, it seems like it's working. But what if I change the text color though? That's the problem. I think that's gonna be the problem. Oops. Oh yeah, so now the text color doesn't change at all. Quad color. Or does it? Yeah, so if I wanted my text color to change, that's now broken. Why? So that's like the text color times the texture. Wait, I don't remember how I did it. Oh. Oh, so I'm still running my stupid program. Okay, so that broke that, but then also the text color's still not working. Why? Oh wait, I think I know. Oh yeah, so here I'm sending in black no matter what, but I'm taking in the color, so that should be the color. Okay. Maybe it wasn't broken this whole time. Oops. There we go. Now we got the yellow text. So if I put this back to this, what happens? Okay, so now I get the red text and the texture is working, but I didn't want red text though. I wanted yellow text. Okay, so that's the whole reason I was trying to do this thing. So let me, I don't know. Do it stupid. Okay, so I think if I can just now say outputs text is equal to is text, and then okay, so there's got to be some smart way to do this. So here if I put 0, and then so for the, okay. Because basically if it's rendering text, I just want the quad color, I don't want that. So I can do, if it is text, this is going to be dumb, this is going to take way more code than I need, but I just want to see if I can get it to work. So F32, I'll just call it M, is equal to 1 minus input dot text. That shouldn't cause any errors. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't have a F32. It's a shader. Input. Can't spell input. Okay, so then if I multiply everything by m, wait. No, if I multiply this by m, and then that would be, so it's either going to be 0 or 3, right? So I want, wait, so if it is a text, then it becomes a 1, and then I want the alpha or the R, I forget. I want the alpha, so I want 3. So I want m, so I'm going to cast this to an int, and then I want m times 3, I think. Yeah, because if it's 0, it'll be 0. If it's 1, it'll be index 3. I don't know, this is really dumb. But, and then it doesn't even work, so. Let me think about this. So if it is, wait, if it is text, then this would be 1. Wait, this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Oh, so I got it backwards. Okay, so that made the text, no, it's still not working at all. What is my text color supposed to be? It's supposed to be yellow. It's getting red. Because here, I need to figure out. So 1 times 3. Oh, I didn't have that backwards at all. Wait. If it's text, you want it to be 1. Wait, no, I did have it. Oh, so confused. Oh, I'm going to figure this out. You know what I should do is actually test this. Let's see. I looked at the wrong thing. I want to look at the canvas buffer. Wait. Yeah. No, I think I just want to look at buffer. Oh wait, it's up here. I can't think today. Or any day for that matter. So I wanted to look at the is text. There we go. So yeah, it should be false, false, and then true for every letter. So that would be the false, and then that many trues in a row. That would make sense. So I think that's working. Just don't know why. Quad color. So that's the color you want the text to be times the color of the texture times 1 if it is text. Oh, okay. So I think here I had it backwards, but then the other place I didn't want it backwards. Wait. So that broke all the colors. Oh, because I'm doing, oh, okay, you know what? I think I just needed to add them. There we go, but then that broke that. But that's, no, hold on. Wait, so if it is text, that's gonna be 1. No, that's gonna be 0. Which is all I want. And then color.alpha times 3 would be index 3 times the colors red component. Oh, I see. I got this backwards. This should be quad color A at color. Put all that weird stuff in there. Oops, I deleted it. Dang it, what was it? 3 times, no. Wait. M times, no, just M times 3, right? But I need to cast it to an int. Undeclared identifier. Okay, not getting closer at all. So do I need, wait, so was I right with the multiplication then? No. Okay. Let me think about this. So if it's not text, this would be 0. And that would give me the red component. So I think they want MM then. No. Can't do anything right. Let's see. Color RGB. Oh, okay, so I think I got these backwards then. Nope. Okay. I'm just grasping at straws at this point. I need to really think about this and figure out what it is I'm trying to do. Okay, so if it is text, this would be a 1. And so if that's a 1, then I want to basically, you know what, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just to see if this even works. I don't even know. If m is greater than 0.5, else. Wait, I think that goes there. And this. Wait, no, I had that backwards. Wait, no, I don't. Okay, so then this would be return just whatever color times quad colors. All right, text color. Oh yeah, this is all supposed to be quad color. There we go. Okay, so now everything's working. I was just trying to do it without this stupid if statement here, but I'm gonna leave it for like that for now. I'm gonna put that in my to-do list to clean up the canvas shader. Okay, so yeah, I think it's working. Let me see here. So So if I put something slightly to the right of it, slightly above it, with a different color, then it should show up right on top of it. Yeah, cool. So I can do a really primitive shadow effect if I wanted to. All right, yeah, so I think that's working. I'm gonna consider it working for now until it's not. So that means I could get rid of this, but not now. Actually, probably can do it now. No, I'm gonna keep it for now. I don't know if I might. I'm not 100% convinced this canvas render is working the way I want it to. But I do want to change the way I do my debug printing now. I want to put like a background behind it because it was getting kind of hard to read my text when I had a bunch of things going on. So I would like to put a block of, it's the quad, a colored quad behind it so that it's easier to read. So I think, what if I just change this to canvas? What happens then? I'm pretty sure I had to change a bunch of stuff. It's not take 6 arguments, it takes a bunch more than that. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it takes less than that. Oh, because it takes a vector 2 for the x and y now. Wait, what? Oh wow, my debug text is working perfectly fine. My frame rate seems to be crapping out though. I don't know, I'm sure I'm doing something really dumb, but that's fine. Okay, I don't know what to do from here. So, since the debug print is working, I'm trying to think, I'm gonna go ahead and try to get rid of all of this text buffer stuff. Let me just comment it out for now. All right, so let's see if that broke anything. If it didn't, I would be surprised. Oh, it definitely did. Text buffer, undeclared identifier. Let's see, PP line 65. Am I using this anymore? I guess just there. So now I probably should just then put those inside of my canvas buffer then. All right, what's left? A lot more, a lot more. Oh yeah, still didn't even solve the original one I was looking at. So that should then, yeah, this should be canvas buffer then. Text buffer is not a member of game state. What are you talking about? Yeah, I know. So, oh, duh. Jeez. Add text to buffer. Identifier not found. Yeah. Oh, wait. That should be add text to canvas. And that's going to be a vector deuce. What else? CB redefinition. What are you talking about? Oh, because I already got CB up there, so then that means I don't need to do it there. TB undeclared identifier. What? Oh. There we go. And it's broken. Great. Why? My binary search is broken. Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing something wrong. I think that's... hold up. Wait, where was that problem happening? Is this buffer not big enough? Oops. So what's the character return from? Hold up. Okay, so there's where it's faulting out, but it's from this call to binary search when the string is score 0. What's the char that is trying to find? So C, what is C? S. Why can't it find an S? It's like something, it's like losing track of the font somewhere. Did I not set the current font of the state? I don't think I did that, actually. That would make sense. Oh, that would actually make a lot of sense because I need to put the font now in the canvas buffer. Oh, wait. Wait, the text buffer never had the font. Hold up. Oh, because it was in the... I know what's going on now. My text renderer had the font. I think. So let me see, where am I initializing the game states font? No, it's just debug font, and debug font is global, right? Yeah, it's just right there. Oh, but it was getting initialized. Okay, it all makes sense now. I know what's going on. It was getting initialized in the canvas renderer. All of this stuff here needs to now happen. Where is this? Yeah, it needs to happen here. Shazam! And then all my text goes away because when I'm rendering my canvas canvas buffer, I'm not resetting the debug Y position. There we go. So we need to say that the buffers debug printer Y is equal to the buffers debug printer start Y. There we go. Okay, everything's back to normal. I completely got rid of the text renderer. In fact, let me officially get rid of it. Delete all the comments. This always feels so satisfying. Oh yeah. Get rid of that. What else do we got? Nothing. Oh yeah, we got all this. All that has to go away. Keep that. All the gameplay stuff. That. Okay, yeah, it doesn't feel like it, but I think I made some good progress. I got rid of the text renderer, consolidated that with the canvas renderer. I think next time I'm gonna focus on making it a more of a GUI thing and like making, well, I'm gonna fix my debug printer. So let me write this down here. Clean up debug printing, and then, oh yeah, I already got GUI systems. So then I'm gonna start on actually making buttons and other GUI components and things like that. So let me go ahead and save what I got here. Commit. Jeez. More GUI system work. Oh, gotta spell commit correctly. There we go. And then so now I can say git push. And once that's all saved up, I'm going to sign out. And there it is. See you next time. Thank you.